I've noticed that a lot of you have a hard time switching to Google Chrome, and I thought I'd show you how to do it. So, the first thing you're going to do is click on the bottom left-hand corner. That's down there, the bottom left-hand corner. I'm going to move this over here. It's going to be right down there. And when you click on the magnifying glass, you're going to type in default web, and look, there it is. It says choose default web browser. Click on that. Something like this is going to open up. Wait for it. And look right here, it says web browser, Internet Explorer. Click on that. It's going to give you some options. I'm going to choose Google Chrome. I click on that, and it's done. Now when you click on your Spanish website, it's going to open in Google Chrome. Awesome. Thank you.